Welcome to Zuzuland! Sing, play and learn! A is for air balloon, flying high and free, carrying rainbow wishes across the silver sea. La la la, we go, sailing through the sky we know. B is for bubble bird, glowing in the night, singing little lullabies with feathers shining bright. Sing, sing softly now, dreams are floating all around. C is for candy train, rolling down the hill, spreading joy and giggles with every jelly spill. Choo-choo train, sweet and fun, candies shining in the sun. D is for drumfish, dancing in the stream, beating tiny rhythms in a sparkling dream. Boom, boom, tap, splash and play, music flows the happy way. E is for echo fox, whispering soft and slow, telling secret stories only moonlight knows. Hush, hush now, listen near, magic whispers we can hear. F is for feather star, twinkling up above, filling skies with magic and songs of endless love. Shine, shine, star so bright, guiding dreams through the night. G is for glitter goat, climbing crystal towers, painting rainbow pathways with glowing golden flowers. Climb so high, touch the sky, colors shining as we fly. H is for honey cloud, floating soft and sweet, dripping drops of sugar for every child to eat. Drip, drop, sweet surprise, candy falling from the skies. I is for ice lantern, shining in the cold, guiding little dreamers with its gentle gold. Glow, 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 soft and bright, leading dreams through the night. J is for jingle jelly, wobbling to a tune, bouncing like a drummer under the silver moon. Wiggle, jiggle, bounce so high, dancing jelly in the sky. K is for kite, dragon soaring through the sky, tales for sugar snake, sliding soft and round, leaving trails of sweetness across the dreaming ground. Slide, slide, smooth and sweet, candy trails beneath our feet. T is for tinkle turtle, wearing golden rings, marching slowly forward while the little bell sings. Ring, ring, slow and bright, turtle marches through the night. U is for umbra unicorn, glowing silver blue, wishing every dreamer happy dreams come true. Wish, wish, dreams come true, silver magic shines on you. V is for velvet vine, curling as it grows, wrapping sleepy forests in a gentle doze. Curl, curl, soft embrace, nature's hug in every place. W is for whistle whale, swimming deep below, blowing tiny music bubbles that shimmer as they glow. Glow,